Hello again and welcome back to another AC tutorial. Today we will explore how you can expand ActiveCampaign's functionality by integrating your favorite tools using middleware softwares such as Zapier. Now you feel ready, open your accounts and let's get started. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Then you can go into the left-hand side menu, click into the Apps section, and search for the app that you want to integrate. For the purpose of this video, you're going to make an integration with the Trello platform. Look for the app, click into it, and you see an integration help doc at the bottom of the page. You can click into the help doc and you'll be brought into Zapier's page. You'll be able to log in into your account and click into make a connection between both platforms. Logged in into your Zapier account, you can click into add a Zap. Then you can select ActiveCampaign as the trigger. Then select a trigger for the event. For example, new contact is added or tags applied. This tells Zapier when to start the process. Once you've selected the trigger, Zapier is going to ask you to connect to your ActiveCampaign's account. Follow the steps to authorize the connection if you haven't done it already. Now it's time to define the action. In Zapier, select Trello as the action app and select Create Cards. This step will ensure that whenever the trigger occurs in ActiveCampaign, a new card is added to your Trello board. Next, specify which board and list should receive these new cards. For example, you might want to add the cards to a converted customers list into your sales board. Now, you map the data from ActiveCampaign into Trello. For instance, the contact's name could become the name of the cards, and the contact's tags or other fields could be added to the description. Once everything is set up, it's time to test your Zap to check if a new card is going to be added to your Trello boards. If the test works, you can turn on your Zap and the integration is live. Middleware integrations highlights the flexibility that ActiveCampaign has. By using third-party softwares as a bridge, like Zapier, you are able to connect to any tools available, creating streamlined and automated workflows for your team. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.